Are you trying to find a car shampoo that makes your vehicle shine without leaving residue? Don't worry, we've got you covered with picks that balance foaming power, slickness, and easy rinsing. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car shampoos that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Meguiar's Gold Class, a versatile car shampoo designed for enthusiasts seeking value, depth, and effortless maintenance. From the first pump, the creamy foam hints at premium formulation, targeted toward weekend detailers and busy owners seeking showroom shine. This shampoo targets mid-range budgets without sacrificing premium feel, appealing to hobbyists, garage pros, and meticulous car owners. The packaging communicates quality with a sturdy cap, resin bottle, and a stable base that reduces tipping during busy washes. Its ergonomic nozzle delivers controlled pours, while the 48-ounce bottle provides ample supply for multiple washes before restocking. The bottle height minimizes cabinet space impact, and the label clarity aids quick recognition among cluttered washing bays. The formula is pH balanced to protect wax finishes, while synthetic wax polymers form a flexible layer for lasting gloss. It produces abundant suds with minimal effort, enhances lubrication, and leaves a pleasant citrus scent during and after washing. The formula remains phosphate-free, minimizing environmental impact while actively resisting streaking on dark finishes across various lighting conditions. In practical testing, it glides across panels, produces consistent slickness, and rinses away with minimal residue even on moderate water hardness. During light maintenance sessions, it preserves clear coat clarity, resists wash-induced micro-marring, and contributes to a longer-lasting showroom glow. Users report no heavy residue on plastics and wheels, though frequent use in hard water locales may require a secondary rinse. When pitting Meguiar's Gold Class against Turtle Wax Ice, Gold Class delivers superior durability and richer depth on darker paints. The pros include excellent lubricity, durable gloss, and easy rinsing. The cons include heavier bottle relative to compact alternatives and a premium price point for budget shoppers. At number 4, we have the Armor All Car Wash and Wax. From the moment you unbox it, the package suggests a consumer-friendly experience designed for daily drivers and weekend detail enthusiasts. This initial impression targets car owners who want convenience, reliability, and a reasonable price without sacrificing acceptable cleaning results. The bottle itself features a rugged plastic body with a textured grip and a spill-resistant cap that reduces mess during use. Its compact 16-ounce form fits in most storage compartments, while the label library remains legible enough for quick shelf-side choices. Its flexible neck allows safer pouring and reduces stress during repeated use, while the grip handles minor shifting during busy detailing sessions. The label and warning icons are clearly printed, ensuring safe storage and compliance with basic product handling guidelines. The formula uses a pH-balanced approach and a wax-compatible solution designed to minimize residue while delivering a durable shine. In real-world tests, Armor All Car Wash and Wax outshined a budget rival with stronger gloss and longer-lasting slickness. The pros include affordable price, easy application, and a showroom gloss. The cons include higher price compared to basic wash soaps and occasional streaking if not rinsed thoroughly after drying. In practical use, it rinses clean with minimal effort and leaves a modest protective layer that helps beads form on paint. For best results, use a microfiber towel to buff off any remaining residue and reveal maximum shine on dark-colored vehicles. Overall, Armor All Car Wash and Wax offers solid value for casual car owners seeking convenience, reasonable price, and modest protection. At number 3, we have the Polishes Car Wash Shampoo. From the moment you lift the cap, its understated bottle design communicates premium intent while targeting meticulous detail enthusiasts and car wash fans. The fragrance is light citrus, the texture creamy yet slick, and the formula is pH balanced to minimize paint and sealant irritation. This product is designed for hobbyists seeking a safe, high-concentration wash soap that delivers consistent lubrication without heavy residue. Its bottle feels sturdy in hand with a robust cap and clear labeling that suggests durability in busy garages. The 64-ounce jug size hits a practical middle ground between bulk storage and easy handling for home garages and mobile detailers. Labeling provides clear dilution ratios, ensuring consistent wash strength and reducing the chance of over-dilution or wasted product during longer detailing sessions. It features a highly concentrated formula that emulsifies dirt while maintaining a slick rinse, minimizing water spots on polished surfaces. The product uses advanced surfactants claimed to be biodegradable and phosphate-free, aligning with eco-friendly detailing routines without sacrificing cleaning power. Its slickness and lubricity ensure safe contact with clear coats, helping reduce marring during high-contact scrubbing and light agitation. In controlled tests, it produced abundant suds with low residue, allowing quick rinses and leaving surfaces clean without dulling or streaking. During a week of real-world use on multiple color finishes, it maintained effective lubrication across differently contaminated panels, resisting wash-induced haze. Drying time shortened and water beading remained consistent between coats, indicating stable performance when paired with proper pre-wash prep and rinsing technique. Compared to Meguiar's Gold-Class Car Wash Shampoo, Adam's Polishes Car Wash Shampoo offers comparable lubricity but superior slickness and a citrusy fragrance. The pros include excellent lubricity, safe performance on clear coats with minimal risk of marring, and a biodegradable phosphate-free formulation. The cons include higher price than comparable rivals and a slightly longer rinse requirement in cooler climates for optimal results. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash, a versatile pH-balanced shampoo offering premium foam and protection. From the bottle's bright pink hue to its citrus-scented aroma, it signals a user-friendly product aimed at hobbyists and detail enthusiasts. Its low odor profile and mild surfactant blend make it approachable for weekend warriors while still appealing to professional mobile detailers. In terms of target audience, it suits car clubs, hobbyists, and detail shops seeking a reliable, easy-to-rinse wash with strong foam. The bottle design feels sturdy and the cap seals tightly, preventing leaks during transport or shelf storage at home. Its ergonomic bottle shape and wide neck make measuring and pouring effortless, reducing drips and waste during prep. Overall dimensions stay compact, with a footprint that fits into most detailing carts and shelves without crowding the workspace. The formula is designed to deliver high suds while maintaining lubricity, ensuring contaminants lift without marring clear coats. It cleans effectively on light dirt and road grime, while leaving a slick rinse that improves sheeting and reduces water spotting. The product is compatible with wax seals and ceramic coatings, helping maintain gloss while preventing dulling through safe chemical interaction. In real-world tests, it generated thick foam from a small capful, allowing quick panel coverage without excessive product usage. During rinsing, the lubricity helped water sheet smoothly, reducing towel drag and minimizing micro-scratches on clear finishes significantly. In long-term testing with daily driving dust and rain, it held up well, preserving gloss without accelerated residue formation. Compared to Meguiar's Gold-Class Car Wash, Mr. Pink delivers stronger slickness, richer foam, and simpler rinsing across similar dirt levels. The pros include excellent cleaning power, rich foam stability, and gentle wax-friendly performance across multiple washes without compromising gloss. The cons include higher price than basic car wash shampoos and a fragrance that may overwhelm sensitive noses during lengthy sessions. At number 1, we have the Rain X6291. From the moment you pick up the bottle, you sense a consumer-focused design aimed at weekend detailers and daily drivers seeking convenience. The 1-gallon bottle design sits well in a standard garage shelving setup and provides ample value for frequent use. Its ergonomic flip cap aligns with typical spray triggers, ensuring controlled dispensing without waste while maintaining a compact footprint on shelves. The formula emphasizes pH-neutral chemistry, safeguarding clear coats and trim while reducing the risk of rainbow halos on darker finishes. In real-world testing, the product performed reliably across daily driver finishes without leaving streaks or residue after a standard rinse. Compared to Meguiar's Gold-Class Car Wash, Rain X6291 offers faster beading, cleaner silicone-influenced shine, and easier rinse. The pros include strong cleaning power that lifts road grime efficiently, versatile dilution flexibility for different strengths, and lasting protective shine. The cons include higher price relative to budget alternatives and longer dwell time when tackling stubborn residue or heavy grime. The scent is mild and pleasant, the bottle features abrasive-free labeling, and it remains compatible with wax or sealant layers without wash-off conflicts. It leverages biodegradable surfactants that minimize environmental impact while keeping performance consistently strong across temperature ranges and water hardness. Post-rinse, the finish remains clear with minimal residue, making subsequent wax or sealant application smoother and more predictable. Recommended for weekly washes on daily drivers, show cars, and weekend detailers with dilution guidance tailored to light, average, and heavy soil. Users commonly report consistent foam distribution, easy rinsing under varying water pressures, and surprisingly low risk of gloss reduction on dark finishes. Rain-X 60991 delivers a balanced blend of cleaning power, protective performance, and practical packaging that suits broad car care needs.